Welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to create content note using Apex in Salesforce. So, in order to create content note, we will make use of content note object and we will also use content document link to relate the note with a Salesforce record. So, let's open our developer console and let's open the anonymous window and we will write the code. So as I said, we will use the content note object. So let's create content note and let's create an object of it. So new note equals to new content note. Now let's set the title. New note dot title equals to let me give some title, note 101. After that I will set the body. So let me create a string body equals to this some random text. Okay, after that we will set the content. So new not dot content equals to this blog dot value of, and inside this we will pass body dot escape html4. Okay, let me just pass the body, then I will show you why we are passing escape html4 method. So after that I will insert new node and let's copy the id. So id node id equals to new node dot id. After that, as I told you earlier, we will also create a content document link to relate the note which we have created with a record. So let's create an object of content document link. So content document link. I hope it is visible to you. Let me increase the size. Content document link. So link equals to new content document link. After that, link dot link entity id, and we will pass a record id. So let's try to relate this content note with a contact record. So I will copy the contact record and pass the id here. After that, let's give the content document id. So link dot content document key, which will be equal to not id. After that, we will link dot share type, so it will be visible. So v for visible, yeah, not visible, it will be viewer access. And then link dot visibility equals to this should be visible to all users. So all users, and then we will insert the link. Let's also debug the id of the content node. So content node plus node id. Okay, so this is the code. Let me explain you once again. So we have created the object of content node class, and after that we have set the title, we have created the body, and then we have set the content attribute of new node object with the body. Then we have inserted it. After that we are copying the id into the node id variable, and then we are using content document link to relate the content note with a record. Here in the link entity id we have passed the id of the record. In content document id we have passed the note which we have created. Then we have set the share type to viewer and the visibility to all users, and then we are inserting the link so that it will relate it to the record, and then we are debugging the note id. Let's execute this, and it is giving some error, invalid type content not. This error was can be resolved by going to setup and then searching for notes, and then we need to enable the notes. So notes, note settings, and here from here we need to enable the notes. So here I will check it and click on save. So it is saved. Let's go back to our developer console, open the anonymous window and execute this code once again. Execute the highlighted part. Variable does not exist visibility. I think I have given some wrong spelling. B E. Okay. Let's execute again. And now you can see it is being executed. Let's open the debug and let's copy this ID. And I will paste the ID here and open the record. And as you can see, a note is created, but here you can see this some random thing is coming up. That is why I have used this body.escape HTML4, which I have removed. So escape HTML4 method we have used. Let's execute this again, and remember this text should go into the body. So let me also change the title 102 for executing to here. The title was not 101. Now let's execute highlighted. Let's go to developer console, debug only. Let's copy the ID, get this and the ID, and try to. As you can see now, note 102 is created. This is some random text. So as you can see, this is how you will be able to create a content note using Apex. So let me just summarize what we have done. We have used the content note and content document link object. Content note object is used to create the note, and content document link object is used to relate the note with a record. That's it in this video. We will learn some more concept in the future video. Thank you very much.